As it is rightly said by Barack Obama, we are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and last generation who can do something about it. A very pleasant morning to everyone present here. Today, we, the volunteers of Tilkari and Vasundhara, are honored to organize a beautiful event, the Digital Green Showcase, based on the critical issue climate change. Now, please join me in welcoming Divya, who will let us know about what is climate change.
Let us discuss what climate change is. Climate change refers to a long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. Sun की activities और landslide channels की eruption की वजह से naturally climate change होता है. But since 1800, human activities are the main factor for climate effect. The reasons are burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gases are the main components of climate change. Up next, we have Izhar, who will delve into the factors of deriving climate change.
Causes of climate change. Now let's talk about causes of climate change. There are many sources of climate change, but हम यहाँ उन causes के बारे में बात करेंगे जो सबसे ज्यादा ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस को emit करती हैं, जैसे कि generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels cause a large chunk of global emission. Fossil fuel like coal, oil and natural gas, जो कि cheapest form है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को emit करने की, जो सबसे ज्यादा contribute करते हैं climate change को. Cutting down forests to create farms and pastures, जो डिफोरेस्टेशन को प्रमोट करती है. लगभग 10 मिलियन हेक्टेयर्स फॉरेस्ट हर साल हटाए जा रहे हैं, जो कि कॉजेस है एमिशंस के. बिकॉज जब पेड़ों को काटा जाता है तो उस टाइम वो अपने अंदर के कार्बन को छोड़ देते हैं, जो इफेक्ट करता है क्लाइमेट चेंज को. इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज 2021 में 76.5 मिलियन मैट्रिक टन्स ऑफ CO2 रिलीज हुआ था, जो कि बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. These are the causes of climate change. Now, next we have pleasure of hearing from Aditi Dwivedi, who will discuss the effects of climate change.
Now, coming down to the effects of climate change. Number one, hotter temperatures. As greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, दिन ब दिन ये सारी गैसेस का रेट बढ़ता ही जा रहा है हमारे इन्वायरमेंट पे, और ये डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है हमारे बढ़ते टेम्परेचर के साथ. एग्जाम्पल लिखते हैं एक लैंड लॉक स्टेट का, दिल्ली. 52 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक यहाँ का टेम्परेचर पहुंच गया. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से. नंबर टू, इंक्रीज ड्राउट. वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी इज ऑल्सो इक्वलेंट क्लाइमेट चेंज. जैसे जैसे क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी जगहों पे कम होती जा रही है, उसकी स्कैरिसिटी होती जा रही है. लोगों को वाटर की तरफ बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं जा रहा है, पर हमें जाना चाहिए. और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि रेत, बिकॉज ऑफ द, वहां पे पानी नहीं है, वहां की रेत उड़ के दूसरी जगह पे जाती है, उस जगह को भी बैरन करती है. एंड थर्ड इज लॉस ऑफ स्पीसीज. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेजर स्ट्राइक ऑफ द क्लाइमेट चेंज. ट्रीज के, एनिमल्स के स्पीसीज दिन ब दिन कम होते जा रहे हैं. एंड रिपोर्ट सेज 1000 टाइम्स ग्रेटर हो रहा है, और ये पहली बार है ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री में जो हो रहा है. एंड द लास्ट, मोर हेल्थ रिस्क. ह्यूमन हो, एनिमल्स हो, उनको एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से, वाटर पोल्यूशन की वजह से बहुत सारे डिसीजेस का सामना करना पड़ रहा है. एंड ऑल्सो ऑन अ मेंटल लेवल ये बहुत ही ज्यादा टॉलरेबल नहीं है, क्योंकि पोल्यूशन की वजह से लोगों को माइग्रेट करना पड़ रहा है, अपनी जो मेन उनकी होम प्लेस है उसको छोड़ के जाना पड़ रहा है, ताकि वो एक बेटर लिविंग की तरह जा सके. नाउ लेट्स वेलकम कशिश, हु विल टॉक अबाउट द करंट न्यूज अबाउट क्लाइमेट चेंज.
Let's focus on the current news. Delhi's weather cure. How national capital went from extreme heat waves to waterlogging in days. पहले गर्मी से तप रही थी दिल्ली और अब जल प्रभाव का शिकार. 24 घंटों में ही, सॉरी, Sorry, I had a network issue. Let's focus on the current news. Can you scroll down? Delhi's weather chaos. Our national capital went from extreme heat waves to waterlogging in days. पहले गर्मी से तप रही थी दिल्ली और अब जल प्रभाव का शिकार। 24 घंटे पहले तक सरकार पानी और बिजली की खपत पूरी करने में जुटी हुई थी और अब ये नई समस्या। एक ही दिन की बारिश ने दिल्ली में के अलग अलग इलाकों में बाढ़ जैसी समस्याएं पैदा कर दी। एयरपोर्ट की छत भी गिर गई। ये सब सिर्फ क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से। Next is 5 billion people suffered extreme heat in June, 619 million in India. पूरे दुनिया भर में 5 बिलियन लोगों ने इस तपती गर्मी का सामना किया और 619 मिलियन तो सिर्फ इंडिया में ही थे। रिपोर्ट के अनुसार बहुत से लोगों की जान भी गई। Next, please. The heat will kill the economy, but it will kill us first. This statement is totally true. As अगर हमने और गवर्नमेंट ने क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए कुछ नहीं किया तो क्लाइमेट चेंज हमें ही मार देगा। अब नहीं तो कब? The recent situations in the globe are a wake-up calls for us. India at G7, the summit and substance. The G7 agenda includes discussions on Indo-Pacific, Africa, climate change, environment, mitigation, and AI. G7 agenda में बात हुई थी ग्रीन हाउस 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक रिडक्ट होंगे और सारी जो कंट्रीज थी G7 में वो 58% अब 2030 तक अपने एमिशंस रिड्यूस करेंगे। Now let's watch this impactful video that focused on current climate change around.
Although the challenges are great, but it's important to remember that it's not too late. We still have the opportunity to manage and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Let's see how we can prepare for climate change without panicking. The very first step is watering plants. We can water our plants with the renewable water, like the water saved from cooking, from rinsing fruit and vegetable, etc. The second step is grow more plants. We can grow more plants by using organic farming, जैसे कि cow dung and the manure formed from the peels of vegetable and fruits instead of pesticides and fertilizers. The third step is save electricity. When the sun is bright, say no to tube light. As Kashish told us that Delhi witnesses the highest power demand till date. So to save electricity, remember to switch off fans and tube lights when you're leaving your house. The fourth step is travel sustainably. When you're traveling in local, try to ride with your bicycle instead of your motorbikes or car. As we can see in the image, how much time things take to decompose completely. Plastic take 10 to 20 years to decompose completely. However, some plastic never decompose. The fifth step is practice composting. Composting is nature's recycling system. We can practice composting by digging a pit and putting vegetable peels, fruit peels, and dry leaves in the pit and covering it with mud. When it transforms into manure, it makes the soil very fertile. There is a list, as we can see, of
how the things we can put in compost and the things we cannot put in compost. The things we can put in compost are fruit scrap, vegetable scrap, tea bags, etc. And the things we cannot put in compost are oil, meat or seafood, etc. These were some preventive measures we can take to prevent climate change. Now it's time to watch the inspiring video showcasing the incredible effort of volunteers working tirelessly to mitigate the effect of climate change. Their dedication and action reminds us that together we can make a difference.
Now, I welcome everyone to our exciting climate change quiz, where we will test your knowledge and raise awareness about the critical global issue. Question number one: which gas is primarily responsible for trapping heat in Earth's atmosphere, leading to the global warming? Your options are A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Your time starts now. I hope everyone has answered. The correct option for this is C. Carbon dioxide. Moving on to the next question. Question number two goes like, what is the common method to reduce energy consumption in buildings and lower emission? Your option goes like A. Using incandescent light bulbs. B. Installing energy efficient appliances. C. Keeping windows open during winter. D. Turning on lights when leaving a room. Your time starts now. I hope everyone has answered the question. The correct answer for this question is B. Installing energy efficient appliances. Now, next question.
Question number three is, which activity helps to offset carbon emissions by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Your options are option A, driving alone, option B, tree planting, option C, using plastic bags, option D, wasting water. And the right answer is option B, tree planting. Your question number 4 is, which of the following is the consequences of climate change? Option A, increased frequency of extreme weather events. Option B, decrease in global temperature. Option C, increased stability of ecosystem. Option D, reduction in sea level. The right answer is option A, increased frequency of extreme weather events.
Now let's look after the fifth question, which of the following countries is the largest emitter of carbon dioxide? Your options are option A, India, option B, China, option C, Russia, and option D, United States. Your time starts now. You're wrong, guys. The correct answer is China, not United States. Now let's look after the next question. Which sector is the largest contributor to global greenhouse gas emission? Your options are option A, agriculture, option B, transportation, option C, energy production, and option D, waste management. Your time starts now. I hope everyone has answered. Most of the people have answered it as transportation, but the correct answer is energy production. Now let's move out to the conclusion. Thank you all, first of all, for participating and showing your enthusiastic participation. Now it's time for concluding our event. But before that, let's remember that climate change poses a significant threat to our planet by impacting our ecosystems, our weather patterns, and human livelihood. Through this event, I hope everyone steps out together and formulate these mitigation efforts. क्योंकि अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. At last, I want to say that the temperature is going to rise again. No surprise. But we have to make sure that we are prepared, and we can only be prepared for the next climate related crisis by accepting that this climate change is our current reality, and we have to adapt our thinking and our actions to prepare for the future crisis. Thank you, everyone.